what you're gonna
Yes,
do?
Your Honor.
The other thing is that I won't address it today, but he may need to appear in person because I've got a violation report from Community Corrections regarding missed samples, 3 consecutive ones.
I actually had a hard time getting to these appointments.
Sir, you might want to talk to your attorney before you start addressing me on that.
Okay.
Positive for THC.
Yes, there was a positive for THC back on December 18th and then 3 successive misses. And prior to that, there was an unable or refuse. So here's what I will do. Sir, you're going to need to arrange to be at the courthouse. We will try to get what information we can to you, counsel, so that you can contact him. But I'll adjourn this out just 1 week to the 16th.
I have a court date on that day.
Pardon?
I have a court date on the 16th at 9:30.
Where?
I'm pretty sure it's going to be at 14-2.
14-2?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
we're right down the street.
Your Honor, I also have 2 other matters that morning. Would it be possible to adjourn 2 weeks?
Well, I think that I need to address his bond violations. Otherwise, I'll just revoke his bond. We'll come get him and then we'll set it whenever everybody can be here. Which way do we want to do this?
Well, I understand, Your Honor. We will make arrangements to be there. I'll talk to your court clerk about.
Fantastic.
And I do have Mr. Tournier's phone number from the chat. So Mr. Tournier, I'll be calling you when we hang up here.
Okay.
January 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond at this time is continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Alejandro.
We have the people. That one. Okay, even though you already told me another court date, you being late to that, he should not lock you up.
Good morning, Your Honor. Marcia Creature on behalf.
Your motion's granted.
Thank you.
Constantino's case. He's at the Bureau of Prisons and they did not sign in because of the holiday.
Federal holiday.
Today?
Yeah.
I'm out. What is what day?
The state funeral for President Jimmy Carter.
I should not be here.
We were hoping that. I wasn't going to finish that. That it was going to be a national holiday.
How many cases does he have?
Too many. 12.
He's got like 12 cases? Okay. All right, so I got time for my shot. All right. What I'll do, why don't I, if he's in federal custody, let me adjourn it out to the 30th. Will that work for you, counsel?
Judge, I apologize. I can't do the 30th. I could do any other Thursday though.
Any other Thursday but the 30th? Okay, what? Oh, so just give me a date. Just give me a date because Bellinger messed everything up. February 6th.
Don't laugh.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned February 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bonds continue.
Thank you very much.
Give me a call on this. We may be able to resolve.
Will do. Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Destiny Cheatham.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rick Hanna, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney on behalf of people.
Good morning, Honor. Rob J. Kill on behalf of Ms. Cheatham.
Your name?
Destiny Cheatham.
Thank you.
Judge, can we set this matter for exam, please?
All discovery is complete.
Yes, Your Honor. And this young woman has done everything you asked her to do. She, at community college, she took her GED testing on Monday. She's working now. So she's on.
So did she, what about the GED testing?
I'm sorry?
You said about the testing. Did she do that?
She did.
Yes,
You want
I
to-
wrote in yesterday. And I did my schedule Monday. And I started working through the states for home health care on the 1st.
Tell me about the testing.
I'll get my results in Monday,
And when did you do it?
yesterday, on the 6th.
At community college.
At community college.
Washington,
So you asked her to do it, she's doing it.
how'd that feel?
Good.
So we won't delay this. Can we get a date, Your Honor?
No problem with that. Will people have their witnesses available the 21st?
The council, if there's an issue.
All right. Preliminary examination will be set in person, January 21st, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before me.
Thank you, Judge. We appreciate your consideration.
All right, bond with it. It will continue. You're gonna pass all of those things, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna see that certificate at some point.
Yeah.
Judge, and maybe if she does all that, you'd consider removing the tether.
No.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Good try, Killawolf. Court calls the case, People versus Desmond Markowski Smith.
And then on behalf of people,
Wow. Hold on, say that again.
and then on behalf of people.
That sounds so good. All right. Your name, sir?
Desmond McCoskey Smith.
I know. He's like Mr. Magoo.
Mikowski, Judge, I was just appointed on this case. Although he has a case in circuit court that I was appointed last week to. It's my understanding this young man would you consider a bond motion on this, Your Honor?
If it's a short bond motion, I'll hear it. Otherwise, if it's going to be extensive, you're going to need to put it in writing and then I'll hear it at some other time.
No, it's just very briefly, he's employed. He can be employed, Your Honor. It's my understanding, he'll obey any court order. He'll show up for the next court hearing. And I believe, speaking with him, that it'd be better off that he were out. He and I could more capable represent him.
Response.
Your Honor, it's my understanding, currently a probation violation of which a bond is denied. That's all.
Is that correct?
Judge, we were in front of Judge Kuhnke yesterday. She adjourned it a week so we could make this argument today. She said if we were successful in reducing his bond today, she would strongly consider her bond denial.
But his. All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, we would still be concerned and object to any modification. He has a previous history of assault with a dangerous weapon, home invasions, misdemeanor. Pushed her onto the bed and hit on her for 6 to 8 seconds. Instead, we think this is the game. He broke through her 2 daughters and left. And after she left, he took her keys and wallet from her. We would have great concern for her safety as well as.
Judge, the only comment I make is
I ain't been at PR.
this was from 2021. You guys have moved on, right?
Oh,
Okay.
Your Honor,
This case,
this is a PR bond because this case is from 2021, Your Honor.
yeah,
Right, it's a PR bond on this case.
I was told in circuit court that he had a cash bond on this. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
So there's no. All right. Motion to modify the bond is denied. I'll leave his bond where it is. He's being held on the circuit court matter. Thank you.
Circuit court. Thank you.
What date did it? Okay, I don't think I did.
You did not.
What do you want me to do with this case? Hold on, sir.
Judge, can we just set it for exam?
Are you ready?
Yeah, Judge, it's a 2021 case. I'm familiar with it. I'd like to go to
Will
exam.
the people have their witnesses available on the 21st?
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Hey, Your Honor, can I speak?
I'd be real fortunate.
About what?
I ain't talked to, I don't even talk to Jasmine no more. I ain't talked to deal with her in years. And this ain't even true. what she's saying.
We'll see if the exam.
Preliminary examination, January 21st, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Moore.
Good. I'll straighten out with.
Bond will continue.
Thanks, Judge.
Court calls the case, People versus Robin Finney.
Morning, Your Honor. Hannah Mackey requesting permission to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under Public Defender Jay Bellinger.
Under supervision of who?
Jay Bellinger.
Are you allowed to pick another?
Chief Deputy Lauren Brown.
Okay, that works. Okay. So your motion granted. She just threw you under the bus. She said, I got business to do. All right. I have before me a plea form. Could you state your name, please?
Yes, Robin Lee Finney.
Thank you. I have a plea form before me that indicates that the defendant would be pleading guilty to the charge of use of cocaine. The 1-year offense upon a successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. There's further agreement. It's okay to seek 7411 on the matter.
That's correct.
Yep, that's correct, Your Honor.
May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes,
State your name.
Robin Lee Finney.
All right, ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of use of a controlled substance, that being cocaine. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and a $1,000 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes,
And you also understand, ma'am, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Barr in the 1482 District Court.
yes,
Still wish to plead guilty?
yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
But plead guilty, Your Honor.
All right, now you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Excuse me?
You signed an advice of rights form?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, any question regarding those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You'll see a copy on the podium. Please look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on the form.
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes, Your Honor.
and because you believe that you are indeed guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
May 28, 2024, at the location of 229 West Michigan Avenue, City of Ypsilanti, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. Did you have cocaine in your possession?
Yes, Your Honor.
Had you used it?
Yes, I have.
Did you know what you were using was cocaine?
I did.
Counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
You have, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 1482 probation. Sentencing in this matter will be January 22nd, 2025, 11 a.m. before Judge Barr. Bond in this matter will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And for the record, Your Honor, I was hoping we would have court today.
Pardon?
I was hoping we would have court today and we wouldn't be off for the holiday.
Oh.
Thank you. That is so nice of you.
Hey, low.
That is so nice. You stay with Lauren Brown and don't even talk to Bella. You're doing so well.